tools or tracking platforms, we pay zero money to run our advocacy program, and it's fully led by one person.
PR specialists or marketing pros by title, but part of their job is not only to attract and select talent, but to represent the brand.
How do we grow? How do we save money? How do we get more customers? How do we lower risk? That's what a business cares about.
But I think we can all agree, just looking at something like social media, something that was sort of modern 10 years ago, that some companies are still not on par with such a basic thing today. It will take them another maybe 4, 5, 6 years to get on the playing field just with that.
Companies and leaders try to use AI as a creative director. It's a failure. AI is your intern. So it will save you time if you give AI good prompts